My name is Granville Valentine. I'm your representative for the People's National Party for Northwest St. Andrew. General election will be called very soon, and you will be called upon to vote. As a constitutional right, you should vote in your interests. You should vote on issues. You should vote for the empowerment of youth. You should vote in defense of our women and youth. You should vote for your own cause. You should vote for someone that can represent your cause and interests, someone that understands your issue. You should vote for a true representative and a true leader. I believe that I am the best person because I lived in your constituency for over 20 years, understanding the issues, the concerns, and the cause. It is my clear view that training and education is the only way forward. On election day, you should put your X beside the head.